Adding a payment method to System.io allows you to process transactions for products and services directly through your funnels. Here's how to set it up. Log into your System.io account. Go to System.io and log into your account. Navigate to Payment Settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Under Settings, locate the Payment Gateway section. Choose a payment gateway. System.io supports Stripe and PayPal. Select the payment gateway you wish to add. For Stripe, click Connect Stripe. Log into your Stripe account and authorize the connection. For PayPal, click Connect PayPal. Enter your PayPal credentials and follow the prompts to complete the integration. Configure your payment gateway. Once connected, your payment gateway will be displayed as active in the Payment Gateway section. Ensure the payment method is enabled for specific funnels or products. Test transactions. Create a test product and complete a mock purchase to verify the payment process is working correctly.